Kia ora whanau. Happy Fired Up Friday. This is Library Zone. Got the sheep out the front. Yeah, liquid amber's going Monday. Today's Saturday. Beautiful day. But yeah, it'll be good to see some of these pines go, and I'm trying to see if the tree guys can top a few of these poplars. This is Library says hello whanau. So, Fatwood Friday on a Saturday again. Starting to become a habit. Yeah, this is my 4-direction Bushcraft before he closed up shop. 8x1/2 inch ferro rod, and I put a antler handle on it. And yeah, this is a piece of the 12% Cobalt gifted to me from Dean from Australia, from Orion. Thanks, Dean. Yeah, because we can't get 12% Cobalt high-speed steel strikers here in New Zealand, so yeah, very much appreciated. And a matching set, just about, you might as well say, with a Dominic Minischetti antler handle poker, and again Ruawhata Sticky icky. So yeah, old bacon. And yeah, today I did a bit on my little I did a bit on the old pencil sharpener and a bit on the little hand plane. Yeah, haven't used the little hand plane for a while, but it makes it really thin, and this should go up like Mount St. Helens. So yeah, very effective way to prepare your fatwood, little hand plane. Probably good in a go bag, really, because any dry wood, you plane it, you got something nice and thin to take a hot spark from a ferro rod. Sorry, whanau. There we go. Just rips. Just digs in and just rips a spark out of the ferro rod. One and done. Yep. As I said, whanau, just going to go up like Mount St. Helens. Library's been working hard today, filling in the cooking for the local rest home there, a retirement village. Looking after our yeah, residents here in Pahiatua. Oh, look at that black smoke. Yeah, sad to see the liquid amber's gone in a couple of days. But it is what it is. Chooks have been playing up, they're hungry, so I gave them a few pellets. Yeah, it just burns so thoroughly. The air can just, because it's so thin, the air can just get through and your wood just burns really thorough. So happy Fatwood Friday on a Saturday whanau. In the background you'll hear a New Zealand tui. Probably wants to get in our apple tree and finish off the last few apples that we've got left. And there was a possum in there the other night. Chased him away. I think they're protected in Australia where they come from. But here they're introduced pest. Yeah, impact on the native bird life in New Zealand. Well, New Zealand sticky icky's happily burning away there. Hello, Mrs. Ledbury.
Hello, Mr. Ledbury.
Yeah, nice to see you found those polypores, Dean, at your place. To me they look like young Ganoderma or artist conch polypore. So if you right underneath, yeah, like these ones. Well, I'm not looking too good underneath are these, eh? But as you can see there, that's why they call them artist conch, because you write your name when they're fresh underneath. So we'll call it there. Ruawhata Sticky icky's done. Didn't need me Dominic Minischetti poker today. Bone handled, antler handle. Yeah, 4-direction bushcraft. I always wanted one of his ferro rods, so I'd always seen him on Facebook and YouTube, and I just happened to get in at the right time before he was shutting up shop, and yeah, I got 3 of these rods at a bargain price and a striker, and he gave me a few other goodies. So from Jason here in Ruawhata, New Zealand, get out there and have fun. But yeah, always be safe and practice safety with fire, kakiti and all.